If you're watching this, you're probably already thinking about it. Maybe you've dabbled. Maybe you've scrolled. Maybe you've even tried to ignore it. But let me just cut to the chase. In 2025, if you're not making video, you're not just missing out. You're actively and quite frankly, foolishly leaving money, impact, and influence on the table. We're deep into the visual age. Text, it's still relevant, sure, but it's the supporting act. The lead, the headliner, the main event is video. It's how people consume information. It's how they connect, and it's how they buy. And I know what you're thinking. It's too late. The market's saturated. Everyone's already doing it. And you know what? You're half right. It is crowded, but that's precisely why you need to be in it. Because if your competitors are building connections, solving problems, and selling their solutions through video, and you're not competing, are you? You're watching from the sidelines. Here's the thing about 2025. The barrier to entry, technically, has never been lower. You have a phone. You have an idea. That right there is 90% of what you need to start. The real barrier is not the tech. It's your belief. It's the consistency. It's understanding why you're doing it in the first place. Your audience right now has problems. Big problems, small problems, everyday problems. And guess where they're going to find solutions? They're searching, they're watching, they're looking for someone who can look them in the eye, digitally, of course, and articulate their solution clearly and engagingly. Video builds trust faster than any other medium. You see me, you hear me, you get a sense of my personality, my expertise, that intangible connection. That's what converts browsers into buyers. That's what turns followers into clients. And that's what differentiates you in a noisy marketplace. And let's talk about the cold, hard reality: money. Whether you're selling a product, a service, information, or even just building a brand for future opportunities, video is the engine that drives it. It expands your reach. It educates your potential customers. It primes them to buy from you. In 2025, if you're not making videos, you're leaving that lever unpulled. You're letting that revenue stream dry up before it even starts. So my challenge to you is simple. Stop thinking about it. Stop overthinking it. Identify the biggest problem your audience faces that you can solve. And then create a video that tackles it head on. Don't strive for perfection. Strive for impact. Strive for connection. Because the future of communication, the future of marketing, the future of business isn't something that hasn't been invented yet. It's already here. And it's doing exactly what I'm doing right now, speaking to you through video.